Okay, so these are the formulas that they give us in the data packet. These are sort of an odd assortment of formulas. I might have chosen some different ones. Okay, notice that they're kind of redundant, right? This one is the for decay rates, right? This is the original amount, how much you have at time t, et cetera, right? Notice that this one essentially just boils down to this, right? That the activity, and this is counts per second, right? How many beeps the Geiger counter does per second, right? Is just the decay probability times the number of undecayed nuclei. I mean, literally, that's all they did there. Okay. Um, so I don't know. That's just kind of a weird thing. So the things you need to be able to use, and they're not in your data packet, is that the half-life is the natural log of 2 over the decay probability. Okay, now remember where that comes from. You can easily get that, right? Half and naught is, so the half-life, remember, is the time such that you have half the original remaining, right? Okay, obviously you can cancel that, and then you get ln2 equals lambda t, and the minus went away because I turned the 1/2 into 2, right? And then you're all set, right? So the half-life, this is our half-life, right? Our half-life is the natural log of 2 over that decay probability, okay? And obviously the bigger the decay probability is, the smaller your half-life is, okay? And then you'll also be able to, you also need to be able to remember moles, right? So moles is literally, it's going to be the number you have over Avogadro's number, and this is in the data packet, right? 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms per mole, right? It's also, by the way, the number of moles is also equal to the grams you have divided by the molar mass. Okay, and remember, in nuclear physics, we don't care about diatomic or whatever. I don't know, right? Okay, we're talking about just total number of nuclei. So that's really what you want to relate here, right? So you'll see problems that give you grams. They like to do that, and you have to figure out how many particles there are, and then you could maybe figure out decay or something like that. Okay. I think that's really all I've got to say, is that heads up, right? Memorize this. I would just memorize that. I don't know. Okay, or be able to derive it. I don't know. But there you go. I think I'm going to stop talking.